Welcome to Lesson 1 of the Programming module. In this lesson, we will be introducing programming and discussing its importance in today's world. We will explore the basic concepts of programming, including programming languages and their purpose, and examine how programming languages work with examples from ChatGPT. Programming is the process of designing, writing, and maintaining the source code of computer software. It is the foundation of all digital technology, and it has become an essential skill for anyone looking to pursue a career in technology. The importance of programming lies in its ability to automate tasks, create innovative solutions to complex problems, and provide tools for data analysis. As technology continues to shape our world, the demand for skilled programmers will continue to grow. Now, let's dive into the basic concepts of programming. These include data types, variables, constants, operators, expressions, conditional statements, and loops. Understanding these concepts is essential to building programs and solving problems using code. Programming languages are the tools used to write code. They have different syntax, structure, and purpose. ChatGPT can help us understand the purpose of different programming languages and how they work. In this module, we will explore the JavaScript programming language.